take a left at Lula. You got to sing it like you mean it. Sat on the front porch swinging, and he only spoke when he was spoken to. I said, well, tell me about the time. Saw a house play about the next line, and Mississippi got the blues. Was a long, dark, dusty road. Robert Johnson sold his soul. Hey, John, hey.
Okay, here we are again with Diega's Adventures, and you're making today. What are you making today? Chicken tenders?
Mm-hmm.
Your own special recipe, and how many chickens are in that?
Two breast chicken.
Two breasted chickens?
Mm-hmm.
And what's that?
Onion powder.
Onion powder?
And
then what else?
garlic powder.
Ew, no vampires on that one.
And then black pepper.
Black pepper.
Almost ran out.
How much black pepper? You just kind of throw it in there.
Half a teaspoon.
That's more than a half a teaspoon.
And then this.
Oh, what's this?
Oh,
what is it?
I need for chicken. Where's the
There's
one for?
there's some chicken. Rub my chicken.
This one. Which one?
Back behind that. No. There you go.
Ah, there you go. It's not. Oh, it's open. Okay, just for
For what?
smell.
There's no taste. It's just smell.
Yeah.
This is everybody's favorite. Chicken tenders.
Yep.
Diega style.
Then you mix all.
As we always ask, how do you say chicken tenders in Messiah? Say it.
I don't know what's in Bisaya.
Where
Chicken.
the hell are you
I know
from?
chicken is.
You don't know
Mano.
chicken.
Yeah, you have to.
Ew, that's
While
yucky.
this is mixing, I go get the eggs.
Oh, what the hell is this? That fish is dead.
Yeah. Cooking one.
Cooking a dead fish.
Okay. Eggs.
How many eggs do you use?
For two breast chicken, 2 eggs. And then
Okay, get the camera in position here. Because we're professionals here. We would have Max out here, but all of a sudden he's got his own room and he don't want to leave it anymore. I think he's in there playing games.
he's a gamer. 2 eggs for the 2 breast chicken.
Wait,
I'm
just,
gonna put some more of the another garlic.
garlic seems to go on everything here.
Good for you. Onion. Black pepper.
More black pepper. She just throws all kinds of black pepper and then says, oh, that's a teaspoon. No,
Yeah.
you don't know it's a teaspoon.
Then
Rub my chicken butt. That's just for smell. It
a
doesn't really
little
have taste.
salt.
Sea salt.
Oh shit.
I see the salt.
Sea salt. And then
There's the fish again.
Flour. Instead you separate the flour and the eggs. I put the flour and the eggs together.
Oh wow! Because usually people have like a bowl here, a bowl there, and you go from one bowl to another.
Mine is 1 to 3 chicken tender. 1 to 3 pancit. 1 to 3.
You use breadcrumbs too?
Yeah. Not that I separate the breadcrumbs.
How come you just don't throw it all in one spot?
No, because
Oh, so you don't dip them, you just kind of sling it all together.
That's my own version to cook chicken tender.
So you folks out there, pay attention here. You don't have to dirty up so many plates.
Use your hand to mix it. You're gonna wash it anyway.
Because Filipinos, their hands are
I don't want to
after
use there. I don't want to use my hand there. I use the spatula. Spatula. My favorite spatula. Right? I've been using this spatula since in Germany. When we were in Germany in 1988, and it's still good.
I don't think a spatula really goes bad, does it? Oh. Must have quick answers. Quick answers. Bang, bang, bang.
No, I'm concentrating mixing the chicken and
So is this healthy?
yeah, because I was going to air fry it, but I don't know. I never cooked chicken tender air fry.
They say that frying, everything's better fried. He's drinking some tequila.
Where's that? My favorite frying pan. Oh, the favorite frying pan. I'm gonna use this oil from yesterday. I guess I'll just use oil.
What was that from?
I don't know, I cooked chicken, fried chicken. Oh no, pork. Remember what you eat?
Oh yeah. Oh, that was great too.
I deep fried pork.
Oh, deep fried pork. Oh, there's nothing better than deep fried anything. Deep fried.
Well, I
Chicken.
tenderize. I put the pork in the slow cooker first, and then for 3 hours, and then I take it out. Then I put all different stuff in the pork, and then I deep fry with this oil. So this is good. You use that oil.
I ate the hell out of that last night. I got home. I was like, I'm starving, and there it was, and there it went.
See,
Ooh, that's yucky.
just mix it. You only use 1 bowl for the chicken, the flour, and
How
the
long does
eggs.
this usually take
Huh?
to cook it?
Oh shit!
Ooh, I could have got burned on that
The
one.
video
Ooh.
you got locked out. Okay.
But you gotta wait till that gets hot, right?
Yeah, what I'm gonna do? Breadcrumbs.
That's grits.
Do I have another breadcrumb
In the
somewhere?
refrigerator?
No, I don't.
There's some.
Yeah. In case I run out.
So we only use the most expensive breadcrumb. It's called Equate from Walmart.
Yes. Don't have to be expensive to.
Look at that.
I can use this.
You know, in some places they say you have to get the oil to this temperature before you can even think about it.
I just wing it.
Yeah, she just wings it. But people eat the hell out of it. See how she only uses scientific methods like using her teeth to open cans and stuff.
That's what they call this 1, 2, 3. Oh, you don't have to. Okay, now you do that. Now, so you use. Okay, hold on. Let me mix this.
Yeah,
First.
what does that say? Italian style breadcrumbs. Ooh.
So you got 2 hands. One side, left hand, right hand, no. While the oil still trying to get hot. See how easy to make chicken tender?
Oh wow. It's
See?
even easier to eat chicken tenders. Wow, that's pretty
See?
smooth.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep talking, huh?
I don't know what you guys are gonna eat. That's what I'm eating right there.
Yeah. See how easy? I see people, they cook their chicken,
Yeah, 'cause
how they
usually
make their...
on the TV, you always see there's like 3 bowls. You go from this one to
And
that
then
one
a
to
half
that
a
one.
teaspoon, a half a teaspoon salt, a half a teaspoon whatever. That's too much work, too much think to think. This one you only think 1 time. Well, really.
Well, I mean, you would think one time. One time, that's it. That's all I think.
See, while the oil try to get hot,
It's getting hot because my arms are almost inside the oil.
you get out of there, find some
I can't.
other place.
I don't have a fully developed brain. That's good. Ooh, look at that. Is that a cool shot right there? Look at that. Man.
It's not too much
You're not
work.
getting a cramp?
So easy to make a breast chicken. I mean breast chicken, chicken tender. It's only two. All this is only 2 breast chicken. You can cook a lot.
Man.
You 2 people can eat. No, 4 people can eat this chicken.
5 people if they're little bitty.
Yeah.
Little bitty guys, they only eat a little bit. These are little bitty fat people.
Now I can put. I think the oil is already hot. See,
Oh, there it goes.
it gets hot. See how easy is that?
So how long do you gotta leave it in the oil?
It-
Till it floats?
No, it is at least two minutes each side.
2 minutes? Each side? What do you
Okay,
mean each side?
that's 12:28. Okay, 12:30. I can flip over.
You gotta flip them over? It doesn't cook it all around? Oh. And there's that fish again, right there. What kind of fish is that?
Pampano.
Pompano. It looks like a damn piranha. Those are expensive though, aren't they?
Yep.
How much those cost?
Well, me and Linda, we share the box, and the box hold 25 of them, and then we pay $120 a box. So me and Linda, we share. So I pay $60 a piece, and then she took some with her, like 4 of
And
them.
then you guys eat it when you guys get together?
Yeah, get together. So I'm gonna save me another 4 because she took 4 each.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, now I'm gonna find my.
Your favorite. Everything's your favorite.
I
This
have
is my
my
favorite.
paper. I'm gonna find it. Can't find it.
At least you didn't have to use your favorite knife. She's got this one knife that it's been so old that it's held together with what's that?
Yeah, this is my favorite.
Duct tape.
Favorite.
Yeah, her knife is held together by duct tape. She won't go buy a new knife.
I guess I take it back. It's already 12:30. So that means because I still put new chicken into the oil, so that makes the oil cooler. See, you put so it won't stay hot. Then you reduce the heat because
You'll burn it.
my good, so it will cook. And now look. Yeah, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. See? Now I'm gonna turn down the.
That's a lot for just 2 chicken breasts.
Yeah, 2 chicken breasts.
And then there's the fish again. Oh, poor damn fish.
Yeah,
That comes from the ocean, right?
yeah.
The
It's
salt water?
certain spot in the ocean. I saw that in the YouTube. They only get those fish in a certain area in the ocean. Maybe that's why
It's so
they're expensive. I know. Then it's like in the Oriental store, I think it's almost $5 a pound.
Oh.
Something like that. Because I know mackerel is
Are you
$3.99 a
just gonna
pound.
fry this too?
Yeah. After this, I'm gonna use the oil for this. Because it's gonna give it taste better after you fried your chicken.
Okay, we're gonna take a little short break here and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We'll be right back. And here's a sauce that we've been using with it that you can dip it in. You have picante sauce. You get that straight from Walmart. It's like $2 something a bottle. Then you use light mayo. You do about 2 spoonfuls of that and some mustard and put some pepper in it. And you just mix it up like that. Oh, it's great when you go. You can dip this with everything, broccoli, anything. But really good with chicken tenders. Okay, there's that little tidbit, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and while this is cooking over here, she's going to get the pompano fish ready.
Yeah.
And it's getting ready to go in the deep oil.
Yeah, up there,
So what are you doing?
slice soy.
So the flavor gets inside?
Yeah, and it's easy to cook. I mean, quicker. Instead, I'm gonna use that for this.
So see, she combines everything.
Yeah. Because use a salt first.
That's sea salt, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you think it already have salt? It came from the salt water.
Yeah, but I wash it in the
Oh, fresh water.
fresh water. And
You
then
gutted it and everything. Is it already gutted, or do you?
I'm just gonna use the fish. Where's the fish? Salmon thingy. Oh, shit.
Ooh, look at those quick reflexes. Salmon rub.
Where's the salmon rub? The steak.
Probably that one back behind there.
Yeah, but this is not open. I'm curious if I put ginger. Where's the salmon thing? Oh, what the hell? I'm just gonna use this.
Ooh, I love that stuff. Makes it kind of spicy, but it's got garlic and everything in it. You gotta tap it, it clogs up on you. Ooh. Poor fish. Boy, there's gonna be chicken tenders and pompano fish and holy cow! Look at that! Look how pretty that's looking there.
Okay, I think it's ready to pick it up.
Okay. She's gonna start taking this out. There you go. She just puts on paper towel there. And that's some damn fine eating right there. I don't care what anybody says. That's great. There's portions for a little midget right there.
Oops.
Okay.
Which one is this better? The Popeye chicken tender or?
Oh, this tastes so much better than Popeye's chicken. Well, you know, they do it the cheapest way possible, so. Anyway, we're going to take a short break and we'll be right back to put the pompano in the oil.
Not yet.
And we're back here. And then, to make it top it off, she never wastes anything. For the same oil that the chicken tenders are in, she's cooking French fries.
Yeah.
So those French fries are going to be seasoned really, really good. So that's cool as hell. She doesn't waste anything.
Yeah.
And see, there's
Yes,
a pompano. She did the same thing she did with the chicken tenders. She used the leftover batter and put it on the pompano, and it's going to go right in there right after this. So this is going to be one hell of a meal.
Yeah. Now this is the French fries
Look at
for
that.
our lunch.
Yeah. Whew, that looks. Oh, this is going to be darn good eating right here. Who knows? Look at that. Crispy French fries. That. And maybe since you're Filipino, we'll have to use patis
Yeah.
for that right
But this for everything.
there. Well, patis is just fish sauce, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
You have to have that every time you eat.
I think it was on your passport. You have to have patis.
In the passport?
Yep, you got to have patis in Filipino passport.
While waiting for the bigger one to cook, I pick the
Smaller
smaller
ones up
one.
so they don't burn.
Yep.
Let's take a look at this pompano here. Look at that. Poor fish. Didn't know what was happening when he bit that line. Alright, so there it is again.
Okay.
Another view.
This is
Okay, we'll be right back now. Okay, now we're back. We're going to get some of that pompano fish going into the hot oil. So that should be really good. It's got all those peppers and everything that was from the chicken tenders and the french fries. That looks pretty. This is it so far. That's going to be a nice little meal.
Look, this is the leftover.
That's the leftover. She's just going to pile it on top.
Oh, yeah. No.
Going to make a leftover ball, fried ball or something. Like a donut.
Yeah, maybe. Don't waste anything.
How long do you cook it?
This, at least 5 minutes each side.
Okay. So there's that. And she make sure to turn down the heat.
Yeah.
And we're going to come back to this in just a minute. That's the pompano frying. Then we got french fries and chicken tenders already done. And we'll be right back to get the finished product of the pompano and that donut kind of looking thing over there. And we're out of here. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And now it's time to flip that bad boy over. Pompano going over. Ooh, that looks good.
Another 5 minutes.
Another 5 minutes and it's chow time. Our director Max is usually in here, but he didn't come out of his room. He loves that room. Okay, so we'll be right back with some finished product. Okay, we're back with a final product here. Pompano going on the plate. Out of the boiling oil, onto the plate, into my belly. There she goes. Let's take a look at the final product here. That took about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes altogether. Look at that. What a meal. Oh man. You got right there, you got french fries. You got chicken tenders. You got pompano. And they're all made together with the same batter and everything.
Yeah,
so this makes it a little bit better, that makes it a little bit better, and that makes it the best in my damn belly.
There's your food, your side dish.
And the side dish is over here. Look at this.
I have to wash all the
Look at this. She's got cucumbers, it's going to have broccoli, and all kinds of stuff over there. Okay.
Right here. There's your
Carrots.
carrots.
Is that going to be a healthy damn meal or what?
Oh yeah, I need to have the cucumber. I mean the broccoli.
So we'll be right back.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're back with the final product. Here we've got healthy stuff there. We got the vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and cucumbers. We got french fries. We've got the fish, the pompano fish that she cooked, and chicken tenders. And then that's the dressing made for you guys with the mustard, picante sauce, and mayonnaise. And that's it. And now it's time to feed my belly. This is Diega's Adventures. Cooking deep fried chicken tenders. Bye-bye.
I was raised down an old dirt road, put the grit in my teeth and the gravel in my throat, put Jesus in my heart and the devil on my mind, working my hands in the belt of my behind. Never been the kind to run from nobody, I'm a smoking gun. I'm the bullet in the air and the fire in the night, the blood on your knuckles and a finish to your fight. And I don't mind getting rowdy, I don't mind getting loud, no I don't mind